Hi friends, welcome back to Barbara's Home Sweet Home. Okay, quick unboxing here because this is one of those simple little upgrades that instantly makes your kitchen feel more pulled together. This is the Pyrex 6-pack glass canister set, and right away I love that it's glass. It feels sturdy and it's still easy to handle. You get a really practical mix of sizes, 2 smaller 1.5 cup canisters, then 3.5, a 7, a 10, and a big 18 cup. So you can use these for everything from little everyday items to the bulk things that you reach for constantly. And the look is clean and modern, truly the kind of set you don't mind leaving out on the counter. Dolly approves as well here. And then once I show you all these beautiful canisters here, I'm going to show you my real life snack counter. So here it is, because this is where things tend to fall apart. It's always a little pile of open bags, half-folded packages, and I'll deal with it later kind of energy. And even when the rest of the kitchen is tidy, that one spot makes everything feel cluttered. This is exactly why I love clear glass storage. You can see what you have at a glance without opening a bunch of canisters. And it makes it so much easier to keep things looking calm and organized. What really makes these work is the lid design. It's so awesome. The lids are glass and they have a food-grade silicone seal, so they close securely, but they're still easy to open when you're actually using them day to day. It's that perfect balance, secure but not fussy, and because the containers are glass with a smooth surface, they're super easy to clean and they're dishwasher safe, which matters if you're using them all the time like we do. So as you can see, I'm moving everyday items into these, starting with our beet gummies, then our beet chews, then a few of our grab-and-go snacks, and I'm trying to create some picture-perfect pantry, I guess, that no one can touch. Not really. We'll enjoy these every day. I just want a system that looks neat, feels easy, and helps everything stay contained. These do that. You can instantly tell what's running low. You can keep the counter from turning into that open package parking lot, and it just feels more intentional. And then we get into our pasta here because we use a lot of it in our house. Spaghetti fits beautifully in the one of the taller canisters, and then the bigger sizes are perfect for extra pasta, which we use also a lot for all the time. And it's one of those changes that doesn't take long, but it makes your kitchen feel more organized every single day. One more detail I also appreciate that the listing notes, these are made without BPA, lead, or cadmium, and they're versatile too. These would be great for baking supplies, dog treats, or even craft and art supplies if you want everything visible but contained. So if you've been wanting your pantry or even just one of those messy snack areas to feel calmer and more put together without a big project, this set is such a practical, pretty place to start. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. We appreciate you.